If you have a wood deck, you need to seal it to keep it in good shape. But how do you know when it's the right time to apply sealer? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll tell you the secret of how putting water in helps keep water out right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet and Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet and Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet and Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. Wood decks last years longer when you seal them, but knowing when to apply sealer is the real secret. Here's a simple test that takes less than a minute to do. Take a cup of ordinary tap water and pour it onto the horizontal surface of the wood. Now just take a seat and watch what happens. If the water is absorbed within 30 seconds, it's ready to be sealed. But if the water stays pooled on the surface after 30 seconds, you need to wait before sealing. Try the water test again in 4 to 6 weeks and continue to repeat every 4 to 6 weeks until the water is absorbed. Once the water goes in, it's time to take the right steps to keep the water out by applying a high-quality wood sealer. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.